Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our literature class. Before we start today's lesson, we shall just shortly recall last day's class. We have seen how Bassanio had made the right choice, choosing the leaden casket. He opened the casket and found the portrait of Portia. He went on praising the portrait of Portia, saying, the portrait is so beautiful and Portia is more beautiful than this. At the end he concludes saying, I am like a competitor who participates in a game. I have received approval from the people, but the final judgment has to be given by the concerned authority. Similarly, here I have expressed my love. I made the right choice. I have expressed my love, but it's up to you to confirm it, gratify it, and give your word. Now Portia responds to him. That's where we begin. Portia says, this is what actually I am. What actually I am I happy with that? Would I like to improve upon it? And she says, I do not wish to be better for my own sake. I wouldn't wish to be better for my own sake. But for the sake of Bassanio, I'd be happy to be better. For my own sake, no. But for Bassanio's sake, I would like to be better. Better in what way? Better in what way? 1,000 times more beautiful, 10,000 times richer, 1,000 times more beautiful, and 10,000 times richer than what I am today. Why do I want to become like this? That you might value me better. That you might value me better. But she also speaks of good qualities and friends. Good qualities and friends. She says, good qualities and friends should be in abundance, in immense quantity, immeasurable, uncountable. Friends should be there, and good qualities should be there in order to make you happy. But actually, who am I? Actually, I am a girl who is innocent and inexperienced. A girl who is inexperienced and honest. And then she goes on saying who she is. She says, I am unlessoned, unschooled, unpracticed. I am unlessoned, that is untrained. I haven't received any training. I am unschooled. I am uneducated. I haven't gone to school, not educated sufficiently. I am unpracticed. I am inexperienced. I do not have sufficient experience like you. But these things, that is being unlessoned, unschooled, unpracticed, does it make me unhappy? No. I am happiest. How? I am happy that I am not too old to learn. I am not too old to learn new things. I am young enough to learn new things. Therefore I am happy. I am happier, not so stupid. I am happier, I am not so stupid, that is, I am intelligent. I am intelligent enough to learn. I can learn things. Then she says, I am the happiest because I commit my spirit to you. Bassanio, I commit my spirit to you, therefore I am happiest. You are my everything. I offer myself to you. You are my Lord, you are my King. I am not experienced, I am not educated, I am not learned. Please guide me, please train me, give me sufficient practice. Students may get confused with this word now, even now, but now. Now means just a moment ago. That is, Portia is saying, moment ago, I was the mistress of this house. I was in charge of all these servants. All these things belong to me. Even now, but now, that is now, even at this moment, starting from this moment, I am no more the mistress. You are the master of it. You are the master of the household. All I have belongs to you, and all these servants are under you. You are the Lord, you are the king. That is, Portia is entrusting herself and all that she has to Bassanio. Earlier, when Bassanio came in to make the selection, she said, your glance has divided me into two. One half belongs to me, another half to you. But whatever belongs to me is yours, therefore my entire self is yours. Now she is putting into practice saying, whatever I am and whatever I have is yours. Then she gives a ring to Bassanio as a sign of her love. She says, I am giving this ring and you should safeguard it. Keep it always. It should be there. If you part from it, lose it or give it away. You part from it, lose it or give it away to someone, that would mean the end of our love. And I will have sufficient reason to find fault with you. Therefore you must keep it. Now Bassanio responds saying, Portia, you have made me speechless. You have made me speechless. I have no words to say. You have spoken so well. I have nothing to say. Only thing I can tell you is that I will be always faithful to you. He gives a comparison of a prince addressing the subjects. A prince addresses the subjects. He spoke so well and the people are really happy, overjoyed, quite satisfied, but they have no words to express, but they have so much inside, not able to put it out. Bassanio says, my position is like that. I have no words to speak, but my heart is rejoicing. I am really satisfied. At the end he concludes saying, if ever you find me without the ring, it would mean that Bassanio is dead. That is, till I have life in me, I will safeguard it as a token of your love for me, and I shall not lose it or give it to anybody at all. Dear students, before we conclude, please take down the homework. Workbook, page number 166, question number 7. Please answer it. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.